Let's discuss Q card, and your topic is describe an area, subject of science, biology, robotics, etc., that you are interested in and would like to learn more about.
Yeah, if I have a chance to learn about biology, sciences, and robotics, I'll definitely want to talk about the artificial intelligence. As we know, after 2022, the market of USA started developing and introducing the common peoples that how artificial intelligence robotics are useful for ourselves. Recently China developed and discovers a new AI app named DeepSeek, and everybody is very inspired. And the DeepSeek is very well known and very useful to our peoples. We know in 2022, USA developed the AI app named ChatGPT. After that, Google developed their app named Gemini. So the main person of talking about it, that we know in the future these apps are the future, and everybody need help from these apps. If I talk about my personal use of these apps, I'll use it in every system, in every era, whenever I need help. Like right now, I'm learning about Ielts, and my speaking is not a bit well. So we have a live option in these apps. You can talk to the robots to improve your English. So whenever I have leisure time, I want to talk about to these apps, and these robots are very useful, and you can improve your English skills with that. So yeah, definitely, it's a very good opportunity for our people.
Okay, Heather, you spoke very well and you spoke for 1 minute and 30 seconds. You have to increase it to 2 minutes. You were good at fluency and coherence in between your sentences, and grammatical range was also good. You have to practice a bit more. If you continue practicing, you get to advance.